One of the easiest types of conditional formatting to apply is the quick rules that allows you to add formatting based on either positive or negative values. Let's go ahead and select the variance column, which contains a series of positive and negative values based off of the variance. We're going to come up to conditional formatting. I'm going to go to quick rule, and let's start by highlighting the positive values. And now we can customize the title if desired. We can also configure where this will apply to. Since we selected the variance column, it will default to the variance automatically. We also have options to configure the row hierarchy levels. Right now it's applying to values only. If we change this to values and totals and select apply, you'll now see that the subtotals are getting formatted. And by default, it will format by rules and conditions, but you can configure this if desired. You also have a lot of options for configuring the styling or conditional formatting conditions as well, which will be covered in more detail in the video that shows you how to create a conditional formatting rule by scratch. Let's go ahead and close out of this and also apply the conditional formatting for negative values. Come back to conditional formatting on the ribbon, go to quick rule, and go and apply highlight negative values. And let's go ahead and apply the similar row hierarchy level logic to values and totals and click apply. And now for all the values in the variance column, we've colored them either green or red depending on if they are above or below a 0 threshold.